Alright, I went to Junkyard last night to pick up a spindle for my truck since it's pretty much damaged and unusable shape. And I got lucky and ended up picking up a tailgate while I was there, because my tailgate is all beat to hell and it doesn't even lock. So I got lucky. Tailgate was $65, and spindle with good bowl joints, rotor, bearings, nut, whatever I need was $25. So the whole trip cost me $90, and I'm pretty happy. So first, I'm going to change this tailgate. There was no way of fixing it. Well, there's a way of fixing it, but it was going to cost way more money, and it's just pretty much busted. So replacing these is pretty simple. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. So you hold it like so, you pull this tab, and you push. You put it right here. So all you gotta do is you gotta press this tab. Boom. Same thing for this side. Let me see if I can do this one hand. I did it. And then just pull the whole thing out and replace it with a good one. So let me go ahead and do that. Boom. That was simple. So this side goes in there like so, and the other side is a little bit different. So before I install my new one or my used tailgate, I'm gonna put some grease on here. There it is. And yeah, I know the bumper's messed up, just like everything else. Everything on this truck seemed to be messed up, but hopefully eventually everything will get fixed. So get a little bit of grease. Keep all the rust away. And on the outside, put it on the inside. Looking good. Alright, let me put the new tailgate on the truck. Perfect. It's even the same color. It's got some scratches, but the fit is pretty good. Matches to the truck. The only thing I'm going to do later on is to remove this and install it on my tailgate. So that's pretty easy. It looks like whoever put it on, I'm not going to point any fingers, only got 2 bolts holding the whole thing, so that'll be pretty simple. So next, I'm going to go ahead and remove my old spindle from the truck and install something that's not broken. So let me go ahead and pull the truck in and get to work.